Hey guys, it feels good to be back in front of the camera. I know it's been a while. I've been at college and I actually took a 2-week intensive course class after school got out, and it was crazy, but it was so good. But I'm finally home now for summer break, and the first thing that I'm doing is decluttering my room and minimalizing. And I'm doing this because, okay, I feel like there's a hair on me. I'm doing this because my sister decluttered her room, and that was really inspiring to see. And 2, I heard an amazing sermon on how Americans just have so much stuff and we rely on our stuff. And I just want to have less things to worry about, and I really want to make sure all my hope is in Christ instead of the things I own. And so I'm going to be going through my room, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I've already made a lot of progress, and I haven't filmed because I didn't think I was going to film, but I'll just show you where I'm at. So here is my room. I need to set my bed today, but I have actually made a lot of progress. It used to be a lot junkier in here, like a lot. But I need to go through drawers, desk, that, closet, and I just want to declutter and get rid of things. Also, can we take a moment, the hallway out here? Yeah. Honestly, I just want to get rid of things. Like, I don't want to hold on to things. I want to ask myself, why the heck am I holding on to this? Is it giving me joy? Why do I still want this if I haven't used it in 50 years? Also, I just want to remind you guys, 1, this isn't our only channel. We have a channel called Coffee Girls, and 2, we have been posting a lot of fun vlogs on there. So go check it out. It's called Coffee Girls. I'll have it linked down below. What? Where did this come from? That moment when you haven't unpacked from your trip from Easter? Okay. Wow. So the curtains on this window came down on accident, and it actually made me realize how much I like this space open. And so I think I'm gonna do the same over here. I'll show you guys what it looks like down. It's just like these polka dot navy blue curtain things, and it's supposed to go like this. I think I'm just gonna take this down. I like that way better. I just like it open like that, and then we'll take a step back. The room is just so bright. Now I have to decide what I want to do with this. This is where the hard part comes in, because I'm like, do I sell it or do I just shove it in my closet? Will I ever use it again? Do I just donate it and not sell it? I don't know what to do. Yeah, I have no idea what to do with that. Moving on. Okay. So this, and this were all college stuff. So I have to go through this, organize what do I need to bring out for the summer, what should I keep in there for college for next semester, and then bring these bins down to the basement. Okay, so a lot of these things are books from college. Book. If you guys want me to do a video on what were my favorite books that I read at college this year, it was a lot of reading, and if you guys don't know, I go to a Bible school, so a lot of these books really did help grow me in my faith, which was awesome. Also, my hair looks crazy right now. Anyways, so if you want to know which of these books were my favorite and which ones I would recommend to you, let me know in the comments down below, because if I get enough comments, I will definitely make that video for you guys. Okay, so this is the aftermath of unpacking my last college bin. Praise the Lord. So what I'm going to do is just actually to minimalize here, I am just going to put this bin in here just to save some space. How nice is that? So now I'm just going to store these two in the crawl space. Wow, that really helped make this space feel more open. So I'm keeping this down here because that's my winter bin. And then back here is my big suitcase, which fits back there nicely. But I never use this. I'm gonna take this out. Not to mention, I have like a buttload of hangers back here that I never use. And so I'm gonna keep just a few to donate. That side is clear. Now for this side. Okay, this needs to go. This is our donate pile. Okay, regarding my clothes, I've kind of already been through these. Move my jeans from that side to this side and then just kind of go through which ones. Obviously, I still need to clean this. That's too junky. Jewelry, need to go through that. I need to go through that. There's a lot. I just want to go through why I'm doing this again. It's because I listened to a sermon and it was very convicting. It hit home for me. I will try to link the sermon down below. But it was super convicting because Americans, and like us in general, the church in America, we rely so much on our stuff. And not even that, but it never satisfies. And how we just keep going, or we keep going back to the store wanting more. We buy something, it makes us happy for a split second, then we want more, we want more, we want more, we want more. And we're constantly, don't need those, and how we're never satisfied. And he was talking about how a believer's spending habits compared to a non-believer's spending habits, how they're literally similar, they're the same. And it's like, why are we living like this? Like, with all these things, why do we keep buying more? Why do we keep pursuing money and things and stuff? How ultimately it is very deceiving, having all these things, having extra cars, extra homes, extra clothes, like anything extra, which is my life. I'm like, I need to declutter. And how ultimately it really distracts us from our maker, and it distracts us from the Lord. And I don't know, the sermon was just very convicting, and I was like, God, I need help. I need help today. Buy things. I don't want to go to shopping all the time. I don't want to buy a bunch of stuff. I don't want to live like I need more things. Do you remember what you got for your birthday 2 or 3 years ago? I don't. I really don't remember what I got for my birthday 2 or 3 years ago. But in that moment for my birthday, whatever I wanted was like I thought it was going to make me happy. I bet I was like, I need this one thing and it's going to make me happy, but ultimately everything fades away. Our clothes wither and fall, our makeup breaks and or runs out or gets crusty, perfume, our homes, how we redo our homes. Like, I redid my room 4 years ago and now I'm like, it's getting old. And I'm like, that's how everything's gonna be. But the one thing that will never get old is Christ. And the one thing that will always renew our hearts and our minds is Jesus. And I just need to keep coming back to that. I don't want to put my hope on anything but Jesus. And that is what God has been challenging me to this year. What are you putting your hope in? What are you holding on to? And I feel like I've really been going through the process of, okay, you have all these things, can you let go of them? And it's hard, but it's so worth it, and it ultimately brings me so much greater joy, less worry, to have less things. So that is why I'm doing this. Goodbye to this. Okay, that's not bad. I actually really like this container. My small group girls got it for me. But I have to go through this jewelry container, which I go through my jewelry like once a year, and I'm really bad at getting rid of jewelry. I literally never wear jewelry. All of this stuff I'm going to be giving away. I think it's all beautiful. It's just I don't wear it, and it just sits in my room, and I don't need stuff to sit in my room. I've made quite a bit of progress. I went through most of my college stuff over here. I gotta get rid of that. I'm debating on what to do with this. I'm not using it right now, so I'm like, should I get rid of it? Even though it's a corkboard and I feel like I could use it one day, but it's like, my dilemma is, do I get rid of something that I feel like one day I'll use again? Like that corkboard, for example, I feel like I could use again one day, so I just like put it away in my closet somewhere? Or is that like being a hoarder? Should I just get rid of it? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, because I literally have no idea what to do sometimes, if I should keep it. So I'm currently working on my desk right now. I'm taking off these sticky notes. Yeah, I really like how this is looking now. I'll clear it off, but that's what's going on. Minimalizing is not easy, but I am proud of how my closet looks. It looks a lot better. I was able to clear off my bed, and desk is clear, closet is clean. Now I'm gonna do just a little extra cleaning and tidying up. I am ready to vacuum. Okay, I am going to wipe things down. This is my favorite cleaner. It's the Myers Clean Day Lavender scent. I love it. It makes me want to clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe things down with this. And then another point I wanted to tell you guys is that one thing we learned in school was you can do the mundane everyday things like cleaning, working out, grocery shopping, any of those things. You can do any of those things for God's glory, and you can do it with a heart and a mind that's turned towards God. So for example, as I clean, I can be praying and thanking God that I even have arms to clean. It doesn't have to be separate from worshiping God. It doesn't have to be this thing that is divorced from each other, but cleaning and worshiping can be put together, or working out and worshiping can be put together. Anything you do in everyday life, your job, taking care of your family, your kids, taking care of your dog. I don't know what you're doing today, but whatever you're doing today, do it for God's glory. Pray, thank God, worship Him, and do it all for His name. So yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm officially done for today, at least for minimalizing my room. I definitely have more to do. I'm not done, but I'm not doing it all in one day. I think that's a good thing to keep in mind, is that sometimes when you're trying to declutter or organize your room or get rid of things, it does take more than one day, most likely, and it takes time. And I hope that by the end of this summer I will have way less things and clutter than I do now. But I will just give you guys an overview of my room. So I tried to clear out the hallway. If you guys remember what it looked like before, it was really junky. So yeah, this is my room overall now. I am loving how bright it is in here and how clean it looks and just how decluttered it looks. I'm really enjoying that. So over here on my bookshelf, honestly, the bottom still looks very cluttered to me. So I need to work on this, because I really like how these are so clear and then it looks like so much right there. So maybe I'll just disperse it throughout the whole thing. But I'm really enjoying how this top part looks and just how clear it is. And so if I come over here, just to show you guys, this was kind of like my goal for minimalizing. This is what I want my focus to be on in life, Jesus. And so I want him to be the center. I want him to be what I focus on. And so this is kind of like the goal of my room right here, the goal of decluttering. The goal of my life is Jesus in the center. So yeah, that's why I put him there. And then this is just an art piece I did during school. Up there is just a picture of me and my mom and my sister. Painting I drew, New Mexico, and then books, which I've already been through my books once, but I might need to go through them again. This is just my nightstand. I was hoping to keep that pretty simple too. And then over here, again, I really just wanted to clear off my desk, and I'm really loving this little corner right here and how simple it is, cute. Got my typewriter. And then that corner is also very simple. I decluttered this up here. Used to have tons of stuff on it, but I just was like, nope, I want to declutter that. This is still the same as before. I love my inspiration board. I want to keep it like that. The drawers are all very junky right now. So this is one of my goals for this summer, is to go through these. Yeah, do you see that? That's bad. So, you know, not perfect. Still gonna try to do that. So that is all I have for you guys today. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Guys, I'm not a minimalist. A minimalist will watch this and be like, she ain't no minimalist. But I'm just saying minimalize when you're living like the typical American. So, anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I hope you guys learned just how to turn cleaning and doing these everyday normal things as worship, and also just, yeah, decluttering, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.